The rubber pins act as isolators between various components in your cordless tools. In the case of the drill I'm working on today, they apply pressure between the rear motor cover and the brush holders. The most common reason to replace the rubber pins is simply that they are lost while taking the tool apart for other repairs. Replacing the rubber pin is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover. The rubber pins are installed in the rear cover. To remove a pin, I just simply pull it away from the cover. The new pin is simply pressed into the cover. And now reinstall the rear cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new rubber pin in your cordless tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.